XRP hit $3 hours ago, and crypto expert Eduardo Farina is calling for a brand new all-time high within the next 48 hours. But that's not even the biggest news. The CEO of SBI Global Asset Management just declared XRP the key to the most massive wealth transfer of this generation. Make sure to watch this video entirely until the end, because this could change everything for XRP holders. Goldrush here, and welcome back to Gold Rush Crypto Daily, your #1 destination for the hottest crypto insights that could absolutely transform your portfolio. Today, we're diving deep into two absolutely explosive stories that have the XRP army going absolutely parabolic. And trust me when I say this, you do not want to miss what's coming next. We're covering the SBI CEO's mind-blowing statements about XRP being the center of a global wealth shift. Plus, we've got technical analysis suggesting our beloved Ripple could be about to absolutely moon within the next 2 days. This is going to be one high-energy ride. So make sure you hit that notification bell, because content like this is exactly why Gold Rush Crypto Daily is your go-to source for game-changing crypto intelligence. Let's start with this absolutely incredible article from Bitcoinist that's got the entire crypto community buzzing. The chief executive officer of SBI Global Asset Management, Tomoya Asakura, has just dropped what might be the most bullish statement about XRP we've heard all year. And folks, when I tell you this is absolutely massive, I mean it could reshape how the entire world thinks about digital assets. According to this article, Asakura didn't just casually mention XRP. He boldly declared that XRP represents the most significant wealth transfer opportunity of this generation. Let that sink in for a moment. We're talking about a CEO of a major asset management firm putting XRP at the absolute epicenter of a rapidly changing financial landscape. As you can see in this article, Asakura's reasoning is absolutely rock solid. He's pointing out that traditional markets are feeling incredible strain from rising tariffs and economic uncertainty. And guess what's happening? Capital is rapidly shifting toward alternatives like cryptocurrencies and gold. And among all these digital assets, our beloved XRP has absolutely surged, with its market cap recently exceeding 25 trillion yen. That's $172.6 billion. But here's where it gets even more exciting. Asakura isn't just throwing around empty predictions. He's highlighting XRP's real-world utility, specifically its lightning-fast and incredibly low-cost international remittance infrastructure. Unlike those speculative meme coins that pump and dump, XRP is backed by genuine, world-changing technology that's solving actual problems in cross-border payments. The SBI CEO reveals something absolutely crucial here. Ripple has built a global payment network that's being increasingly embraced by major banks and financial institutions. This institutional adoption isn't just some distant dream anymore. It's happening right now. And it's a key reason why XRP is gaining incredible long-term value and attention. Mark my words, when a CEO of Asakura's caliber states that XRP is no longer a niche digital currency, but a foundational component of the digital financial revolution, we need to pay serious attention. He believes XRP's value and potential will continue growing as more institutions recognize its capabilities in cross-border payments and digital liquidity. Now let's take a look at this absolutely mind-blowing technical analysis that's got everyone talking. Let's jump into this fascinating article from Times Tabloid that's discussing expert predictions for XRP's immediate future. XRP is currently trading at $2.87, marking an absolutely incredible 26% increase from just the previous week. But here's where things get really spicy. Over the last 24 hours, XRP has tested the $3 level multiple times, and crypto expert Eduardo Farina has made a prediction that's got the entire XRP army absolutely electric. Farina boldly stated, and I quote, "XRP could make a new all-time high within 48 hours. Now, folks, when I tell you this prediction is arriving at the perfect moment, I mean XRP is continuing its sustained rally amid a broader crypto resurgence that's absolutely unstoppable. Look at this here. XRP reached its all-time high of $3.84 back in January 2018, and the closest it's come since then was January 2025 when it hit $3.35. But Farina is confident that XRP will absolutely demolish that $3.84 barrier within the next 48 hours. The community reaction has been absolutely explosive. As you can see in this article, responses from the XRP community show incredible optimism and confidence that Farina's prediction will materialize. One commenter emphasized how rapidly the market environment is evolving, and these rapid shifts in sentiment could lead to absolutely massive outcomes in an incredibly short time frame. This aligns perfectly with XRP's historical tendency to move lightning fast once key resistance levels are broken. We've seen this pattern before, and when XRP decides to run, it absolutely runs like there's no tomorrow. But here's what's really got me excited. Supporters are pointing to fundamental drivers backing this price movement. One user cited the combination of regulatory clarity, global partnerships, and real-world utility as reasons for maintaining strong conviction in XRP over the years. What lies ahead could serve as absolute validation for that stance. And get this, a well-known crypto millionaire recently highlighted $3 as the neckline for a cup-and-handle pattern that could push XRP to $5.20 once the breakout is confirmed. As XRP approaches this crucial $3 threshold, absolutely everyone is watching to see if it can sustain momentum and surpass its previous high. Let me break down what's happening from a technical perspective. Market expert Sean Marks' analysis shows XRP rapidly building momentum around a key resistance zone near the $2.90 level. The cryptocurrency recently surged to $2.92, marking a sharp upward move from around $2 just weeks ago. Mark's chart analysis reveals a breakout from a long-term descending wedge, indicating the potential for a trend reversal and the start of a brand new bullish phase. The chart also shows that the price is presently testing the 0.786 Fibonacci resistance level, and if XRP manages to break through this area cleanly, the analyst predicts it could retest its all-time high of above $3.40 from previous cycles. Should the bulls maintain control, XRP may then enter price discovery mode, and folks, when I say price discovery mode, I mean we could be looking at absolutely astronomical numbers that would make early holders incredibly wealthy. What's absolutely incredible is how these two stories connect perfectly. We've got institutional recognition from SBI's CEO calling XRP the center of a massive wealth transfer, combined with technical analysis suggesting we're about to witness a historic breakout within hours. The timing couldn't be more perfect. Traditional markets are struggling with economic uncertainty, institutional adoption is accelerating, and the technical setup is absolutely pristine for a massive explosive move higher. Farina has consistently advised against selling XRP early, and the next 2 days could prove to be absolutely defining ones for this digital asset and everyone who took his advice to hold their tokens. This is exactly why I keep telling you. Patience pays in crypto, especially when you're holding fundamentally strong assets like XRP. If you're finding this analysis valuable, make sure to absolutely smash that like button and subscribe to Gold Rush Crypto Daily for more content like this. Share this video with your crypto friends because information like this could be absolutely life-changing. Remember, folks, we're potentially witnessing history in the making. XRP isn't just another cryptocurrency. It's positioned to be a cornerstone of the new digital financial system, and these next 48 hours could be absolutely crucial for anyone holding this incredible asset. The combination of institutional backing, real-world utility, and technical momentum is creating a perfect storm that could launch XRP into price discovery mode. Mark my words, this is going to be absolutely legendary. Make sure you're subscribed with notifications turned on because when XRP makes this move, you'll want to be the first to know. This is Goldrush signing off, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll be covering all the explosive developments in the crypto space.